Hey everyone, what's going on? This is John from Friends of Your Benefits. Like many of you out there, over the past 2 years, I've been working from home due to our current COVID environment. And as such, I've been feeling that my back's been getting a little jacked up and frankly has been hurting a bit. And it's probably due to me either working at the dining room table or taking phone calls from my bedroom to escape the chaos that my children cause during the Zoom meetings. My girlfriend suggested that I look into some sort of device to help get my posture back in alignment. After a little bit of research, I decided to purchase a product called the Upright Go S. In just a flash, we'll give you an unboxing video so you can see what this actually looks like, followed by a brief overview in terms of how to use the product, and then lastly, we'll provide our very own product review to help determine whether or not this device will help with your posture. Stay tuned. So let's unbox the Upright Go S. So before we unbox, first thing we notice is this is certainly a very durable box and something you may want to save, certainly very high quality. So we open it up, and the first thing that I see is it talks about the definition of upright. And the definition of upright, as you can see, is vertical as in position and describing a person with strong, tall, and confident posture. Pretty good marketing slogan. All right, let's take a look at what else we got. So got another piece of packaging here. We're gonna put this to the side. We got some regulatory information. We really don't care about that, so let's throw that to the side. And then we see there's some sort of black, soft case. So let's open it up. And we see that there is the actual Upright Go S right here. So we'll go back to that in a second. We'll put the case on the side and we take a look and we see that there is a double-sided USB-C cable to charge it, but no charger. And it looks like at the bottom, we have something that looks like a guitar pick, and it says it's some sort of adhesive removal tool. We keep on going. We have some actual adhesive. And then for whatever reason, we have some alcohol prep pads. So that's what it looks like on the inside. And in just a moment, we'll take a deep dive onto how to actually use this. So Jenica is going to show us how to attach the Upright Go and calibrate it. So she puts it on the back of her neck. She presses the circular button twice. And then automatically it's calibrated and she's good to go. So let's briefly go through the Upright Go S app. So you open it up and you immediately fall onto the home screen, and this is your digital dashboard. A few things I want to point out. The first thing I want to show you is in the middle, you'll see a picture of a green avatar. What the green avatar is supposed to represent, that's supposed to represent you. And you look at it, and if you happen to lean forward, the green avatar turns red, which means that your back is not in alignment. And since I've been here a little too long, the delay is starting to vibrate on the back of my neck and on the screen. So I lean back, I'm now in green. A few other things I want to point out, and this is certainly very intuitive. You'll see in the upper right-hand corner, it has the battery life that's currently at 50%. In the lower right-hand corner, I have the option to change the delay in terms of the vibration. So I can go anywhere from 5 seconds all the way up to 1 minute. So now let's click the button for vibration. Currently it's set on. We click it once, it turns off. We click it again, it turns back on. For me personally, I like the vibration on as it will really help me know if my back is in alignment or not. Another thing I'll show you is the calibrate feature. If you ever feel that the Upright Go S isn't working totally correct, you click it, and it's going to tell you to get upright, and it's going to give you the option to click start and calibrate. So let's do that. We click start, stay upright, and congratulations, the calibration has succeeded. As we showed you before, the other way to do it is to simply just double click the button on the back of your neck on the Upright Go S, and you'll recalibrate automatically. Last thing I want to show you here is the minute indicator. The first number, 54, means that I've been training with the Upright Go S for 54 minutes today. The second one, 175 minutes. This is my goal to complete by the end of the day. So now that we've gone through the app, let's talk about the pros and the cons of the Upright Go S. In terms of the pros, 3 things I want to talk about. So number 1, let's talk about the battery life. The battery life is about 2.5 days, which meets my needs, which I found to be very, very helpful. I don't like devices that you constantly have to charge. And if it's something that I'm using regularly to help train my back, I want it to have a decent battery life. Second thing I'll talk about is the app. I found the app to be very intuitive, and the app itself had features that allowed it to be customized to meet my needs, and perhaps it can meet your needs as well. Last thing that I'll mention in terms of the pros itself. So when I was in the seated position, I found that it did a great job of helping keep my back in check and in alignment through the vibrations. And then also, again, through the app, it really helped me record the number of minutes that I had it on in order to show how long I was actually in adherence with the metrics. So let's talk about the cons of the Upright Go S. So really, there were just 2 things that I wasn't a total fan of. So number 1, the adhesive itself. I didn't really like the fact that I had to have an adhesive on the back of my neck, and that over time the adhesive would wear out and I would have to replace it. I felt that was something that potentially could be very expensive, and the fact that I had to use the alcohol wipes in order to extend the life of the adhesive, I didn't like that. The second thing I wasn't a total fan of is while the Upright Go S was great in terms of using it while I was in the seated position, I felt that it didn't work as good if I was walking around or I was not seated, right? So that was the 2 things that I felt weren't great for me. But aside from that, if I was to rate it, I would give this product 4.5 stars out of 5. If we go back to those 2 negative things I talked about, in a future video, we're going to talk about the upright necklace, which really helps solve for the 2 negative features that I mentioned. And we're going to bring back the lovely Jenica to give us her review and feedback on it. Stay tuned. As always, if you like what you saw, we encourage you to like the video, share, ring that bell. Until next time, thanks for joining.